Hello, welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. I've been going through more of the things that I gathered at the World of Commodore from a variety of sources, and there was something unexpected that I found. And at first I thought it had never been opened, but then I think it has been, but it's been very carefully put back into its original packaging. Oh, and yes, here it is. The Commodore 64 joystick. 30 games in one joystick. There it is. I'm not sure if the latest miniature 64 is from the same, oh dear, sorry, the same company or anything, but certainly the joystick that comes with it looks much the same. Anyway, this one here, as I say, I think it's been out and put back in because there's like tape across the bottom. Or maybe it just came loose, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to, with great care, I think, remove the tape. Oh, the tape is ripping. It is like Scotch, like Christmassy, like clear tape. Oh, that's alright. Only took 3. Oh my. The one piece came off rather easily. Okay. Let's get in here that we can have a look-see. Ow, 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 ow. This is not going well. Not going well, not going well. Alright. Another piece of tape. Okay. And then finally, oh, where's this one? Oh, boy, it's so hard to see it even. That's the thing about invisible tape. Anyway, it doesn't seem that it has messed up the packaging. So now that that is done, will it come out? Will it? Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. It is out. Ooh. And look. There it is. Gee, maybe Francis and Stuart Seeley should make a sticker of that. That's cool. Kind of stylized. Anyway, here is the info that comes with this. And there are some of the games. There are some. I will set this aside with great care. Here is the installation guide, which basically, and long and the short of it, I'm not going to read through it, is put some batteries in, hook it up to your monitor. I'll set that aside here with great care. Now, is there more tape to deal with? I don't think so. I don't think so. But I don't know. Oh, maybe there is. Maybe what I should do is take a little screwdriver and just slit the tape. Seemed like a good idea at the time. But the tape is resistant. So I'm thinking that this was in fact probably opened and then returned to its sort of factory state. Aha! Ta-da! Or maybe not. Maybe it just needed a little extra. Alright, because when I think I'm going to push it out the bottom here. This may be the first time it's been out of here. It is giving me grief. Oh, okay. Yeah, no. This has never been out of here. Because if I look at the bottom... Sorry. If I look at the bottom, there, it's all the things securing it in. Which, well, they might have been put back. There's just a couple of things here. Twist ties. Maybe they've been put back. I don't know. Oh. Twist ties. Ugh. The thing that concerns me most... First of all, I'm having trouble seeing the twist ties to get the thing out of here. And then... Ooh, okay, we're getting there. Well, I'm concerned. I don't think batteries come in these things, because that would not be wise. It's funny, the way these are put back, or put on, they may be in their original configuration, or they may not. It's hard to tell. Twist ties. I suspect this has never been out. I suspect. Oh, come on. Twist ties. Alright, so now, ooh, the twist ties are undone. And I guess what's supposed to happen now is I slide these plasticky things off over the twist ties. I'll set that aside. And here is the long cord. It looks like it's never been out of here. And then there's cardboard. And I guess the idea is to then try to get the cardboard through the twist ties. Oh my. But the twist ties, of course, are all bent up. This is challenging, especially if I think I want to put this back in. I really don't want to rip the cardboard. Maybe I shouldn't have opened this up. Okay, there's one. There's two. 3, 4. Okay. So the twist ties are all free now. Aha. Aha. Okay. So we're out. And I'm just going to turn on the power switch. Of course, it doesn't light up. I guess the way... Well, I think I can get these out. But maybe not. Maybe I really actually have to take a little wee screwdriver and open this up. Whoa, it is some stuck. Alright, maybe I need a bigger screwdriver where I can get a better grip on it. Whoa, holy mama. And it doesn't really fit that screwdriver well. It's funny, Phillips, there are many sizes when it comes to the Phillips family of screwdrivers. But this, even though it doesn't look like a big screw, it's funny, I'm sure I had another screwdriver here. There goes the original packaging falling down. I'm sure I had another screwdriver here in preparation for this hard drive. I'm sure of it. Oh, wait. This, I bet, will fit very nicely. And it does. And then the screw gets unscrewed. Oh, but it doesn't want to come out yet. Oh, man. How many turns? Alright. I will pry ever so gently, I think, with my finger. Haha. Okay. So we're in. And I guess what I will do is extract the twist ties. I shall. So this really, it's never been out of here, but it was taped back together. So there's the little door, and there's the screw that was holding it in place. We'll need that. So, and the wire, and it takes 4 AA batteries. There's the top of it. Looks like a joystick. Has 4 little identical buttons and a reset switch. And then the 2 fire buttons and the joystick part. So, I need to find some batteries, which I do not have handy at this juncture. So I'm going to take this screwdriver. I'm going to screw this back in. So it is secure, and I don't lose the lid. That would be tragic. It does take a whole lot of downward revolutions. So there it is. The Commodore 64 in a joystick. And it was made, well, there were a bunch of people, but Jeri Ellsworth was key to this project. And I have another one of these. I got it at the World of Commodore. It was given to a bunch of us and by her. And in the latest interview she did on the TPUG event, she spoke of how she wished she'd got a whole bunch of them and kept them in her garage because she got them at an exceptionally wonderfully low price. But they really sold well. They did. So I am figuring what I will do now is I'll find something or another to put all the original packaging in so I keep it separate and tidy, that I could put it all back if I was so chose to do so. Or at least if I was going to pass this on to somebody, I could give them all the original packaging. So I'll find something for that so I don't hurt any of it. and I guess I gotta find some batteries. So stay tuned. Let's see. Yes, I really need to clean up this desk before I even try. So, I mean, the idea behind this is, of course, you turn it on. There's a red LED here. And then the thing comes up and it gives you a menu, and you've got all these varying games inside. And it has a hookup, not for an HDMI, it has a hookup to go to a Commodore or some other simple monitor. One audio, one video. That's it. That's all. Lovely. Alright, I need to, you know what I think I'm going to do right now, actually? I have here, no, maybe I won't do that. I have here my helmet. And I thought for a moment that I would toss everything in there. But maybe not. Maybe not. Recently, I decorated this. I'm not finished. But it's getting there. It is getting there. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. Back in the box room. Until we meet again, have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.